Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Gold board, Sammy Gyamfi. We know that he's the one spearheading the entire gold board composition, formation, and our budget. Musu Yamomu is some 500 million. Say they should use to start the entire gold board procedures and all those things. They have placed or they have sent a bill to Parliament, and Parliament is considering the bill and then trying to see if they will want to approve the bill or not approve the bill. But because a idea free NDC side are more majority, by all means they will approve the bill. So the gold board, they will establish it, and whatever they wish, I be around person fanya biano or moody beye. Now gold board as if you are following this, you have been following this channel, and we are regular on this channel. We have on several occasions explained why this gold board is a bad idea. We have explained it by now. A lot of people know that this entire gold board thing is a bad idea, and actually, a friend will say agenda be na Sammy Gyamfi ni boss or more than enough. We've explained that you can look for the video among our videos. You will see it. Anything gold board in our videos, you get the explanation. But that aside, there is something very, very interesting that I want us to look at now. Bill Sammy Gyamfi presented to Parliament about the establishment of the gold board. Or say, they are going to use drones and artificial intelligence to be able to trace smuggling of gold. So I really want to explain some things to you. And you see, your propaganda or opposition, once power is given to you, you will be exposed. Because when you are in office, you can't do propaganda. You must work. And it's very easy to be in opposition and to shout, to cry, to lament, and all those things. Once you get into power, you will be exposed. Whether or not you were right, when the chance is given to you, we shall all see it. And Malik Basitali Owahi. Yentininka. Edujita Mekolo Owahi. Yentininka. Because they know how to make the noise in opposition, but they don't know how to solve the daily problems that Ghanaians are faced with. Omonim. No idea whatsoever. All right? Now, Sammy Gyamfi today is telling Ghanaians he believes in the use of technology. Technology over the past 8 years, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia has been consistently singing, championing. It is for that reason that he brought a lot of digital advancement to our nation. A lot. On various fronts. Our hospitals, LIMS. So that Uko hospital, you don't need to go taking a folder no the water, the rain will destroy the folder, your records should be missing and all those things. No. He said no, we brought LIMS. LIMS now, I hear, is interconnecting hospitals as we stand now. Before, every power crown, most of the teaching hospitals, regional hospitals, and district hospitals were interconnected. Such a way, say, free one hospital to the other one. No. You don't need to move. By the time you get there, your details are already there. All these things, Sammy Gyamfi was speaking against it. Now, the even mention of drone, and they are NDC4, they are able to mention drone crowd M11. Esan say, Mami be a fellow Hanabisio. When Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia came up, say, oh, drones no. Enye pictures on kwana drones no beti mecha. So, ebeye anka, let's use our drones to save lives. And we brought Zipline. Zipline that does the biggest delivery of medication all over across Ghana. And in the world, Ghana is known as the first country when it comes to coverage and drone delivery of medication. In fact, US former Vice President Kamala Harris, she mentioned it. Now, a country like Ghana has started something that they need to learn from. Nigeria, they call Zipline to come and teach them the technology. What you say? But when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was bringing this thing forward, no, Hannah Bisu went on air to say, drones, no, it is coming to take naked pictures of our women. That drones are Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Deba to come and save lives. No, those drones will be taking naked pictures of our women when they are bathing. That was the kind of propaganda NDC, Sammy Gyamfi ni NDC, they brought forward. But Sammy Gyamfi is looking at our face because it is gold board that they can use drone to do surveillance and artificial intelligence. How are they going to do it? This one there, it is not going to snap people in their battles any longer. These drones here, it won't snap people in their battles any longer. Now, Sammy Gyamfi and NDC know that there is a use to drones because they want to quickly put in everything possible to ensure, say, at all costs, this gold ball comes into composition. Now, we must ask ourselves, why is NDC so desperate about this whole gold ball thing? Why do they want to quickly put it into fulfillment? Esan say they want to monopolize that entire sector. I always say it. I always maintain it. That the main agenda behind this gold board thing that you are hearing is not because they want to streamline purchase and all those. No, that is not it. It is not it. They just want to shortchange people. And this is going to bring a lot of issues. It is going to become very, very much chaotic. Very, very, very chaotic. And there, NDC for Muka drones, I say. They say there, drones are no longer for taking naked pictures. So if you them say drones no bet me say ni say then add then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a brand now yes and no you people did not lend your support. NDC for omi nipa boni for pa NDC for nipa boni for bia ni we see a ono omu say. They do not have the progress of this nation at heart. And Ghanaians must, as a matter of urgency, come to realize that these people cannot be trusted with this nation. Mistake on 7th December 2024 is one of the biggest mistakes that we might live to regret. God should help us. And God board, you are talking about drones. Hanabisi or whatever. You should come and tell us. He should come and apologize to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And then the drones are things that you believe in. Shame unto you, NDC. Shame unto you. Shame unto you, Sammy Gyamfi. And Abisu. Shame, double shame unto you. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.